Today's Daily Dose of Math is an orthogonal projection drawing question with a rather simple shape, this green shape. The drawings are simple too, but what I'm introducing here is the idea of doing them on graph paper and needing a scale. So the type of scale that I'm using is to show that each square on the graph paper represents 1.5 centimeters on each side. I have measured my green object, and I'll show some photographs of those measurements. Here I measured the longest edge, and I got 6 centimeters. Now, these photographs are not completely trustworthy because the object is quite thick and the ruler is thin. So the object is a little closer to the camera. So you'll have to trust me that this actually was very close to being exactly 6 centimeters. Another edge that I needed was this one, which was 3 centimeters in length. And an edge that was needed quite a lot was these shorter edges, which were 1.5 centimeters in length. So let's get started and draw our orthogonal projection in the standard format with top view, front view, and side view arranged like this. The top view is fairly simple because when you look at this object from the top, you see 3 squares that are adjacent to each other. So we can just use squares to represent that. This is what it looks like on the top. Now, this makes a rectangle which, applying our scale, is 4.5 centimeters long. And, well, when you have these 3 squares, which are 1.5 centimeters in length each, yes, they do add up to 4.5 centimeters. So we are respecting our scale. The front view is the most complicated of this. Now, I have this indication that this side is considered the front for this object. So I need a 6 centimeter line for the left side over here. So now we've gotten started. On the bottom, I'm going to need a 1.5 centimeter line. And then it goes up, and that will also be 1.5 centimeters. We're able to piece together the shape of our object in this way. Another 1.5 centimeter horizontal line. Another vertical. Another horizontal. Now on this side, it's going to be 3 centimeters. So I need a longer line. And then we're back to these short 1.5 centimeter lines. We have a bit of a staircase effect. Almost finished with my front view. And thank heavens, because that was long. Tidy it up a little bit. Okay, we have a front view. Now the side view is very simple. It depends which side you're looking from. So if we're looking from this side over here, which I would call the right side, remember this is going to be the right side from the point of view of someone facing the object from the front. If you are the object, this would be your left side. So from the right side, it's going to look like a rectangle that is 6 centimeters long, but there are going to be lines where these levels intervene. So I'll start with the rectangle. And then halfway up that 6 centimeters, we're going to have this interruption here. So I'll use a square to show that. And one square is enough because it shows both this level and this level, with the bottom and top of my square serving both purposes. This is what this object would look like from the right side. From the left side, it would just look like the rectangle 6 centimeters by 1.5. But we only need one side view in our orthogonal projection. So here we have an orthogonal projection using a scale. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.